Welcome. I hope everyone is having a great and beautiful start to their week. I'm here with our female surgeon and the amazing Dr. Luster.
Hi.
Thank you for being here with us.
Of course, wouldn't have missed it.
Today, we will be talking in depth of Miami's favorite procedures. Can you guess what it is?
BBL probably.
You got it. Bingo. And lipo.
And lipo, of course.
All right. So here at Havana, we are determined to make your Christmas wishes, New Year's resolutions, and summer 2024 body goals become a reality. If you thought that the deals and the promotions here at Havana couldn't get any better, you thought wrong. Now, with Dr. Luster, you could get a curvy body and abs for free. Dr. Luster is having a promotion only for the holidays in which you could get a BBL and abs etching included for free. That's amazing. All right, so are you ready to answer questions?
Yeah, let's go.
Awesome, let's get into it. All right, question number 1. How do you customize liposuction, BBL, and abdominal etching procedures to meet the unique needs and goals of each patient?
So during your pre-operative consultation or discussion, we'll talk about your goals, the shape you want. I do a full examination of you and just kind of examine your skin quality, your shape, and we talk about what's realistic and what's going to be the best for you.
Awesome. All right, question number 2. Can these procedures be combined, and what are the benefits or considerations of combining them?
So Lipo 360 is done in conjunction with the BBL. That's how we harvest the fat to inject into the buttocks. With that, you can combine J-plasma, which is a device used after liposuction to cause extra skin tightening, which we can discuss in your pre-op if you're a candidate for it. You can also add ab etching during the liposuction portion of the procedure. Also, we have to discuss if you're a candidate for that. And then we can talk about fat transfer, which is to the buttocks, or for men, sometimes they want to inject into the pec to give a more sculpted chest.
What does BBL stand for?
BBL is a Brazilian butt lift.
Okay, good to know. What safety measures are in place to ensure a smooth and secure experience for patients undergoing these procedures?
So again, I think that the pre-op consultation is probably the most important thing that we do. We discuss your full medical history, do a complete examination of you, and discuss the procedure, what you can expect before, during, and after in recovery. During the actual procedure itself, there's stuff that I do during surgery to ensure that you're going to have a great result and also maintain safety. So I inject above the muscle and under ultrasound guidance every single time to ensure I'm in the correct space and that you're safe.
It's also important for the patients to follow up with everything you tell them to do and not to do.
Yeah, so I always say surgery is teamwork. There's stuff that I do, and then the patient is part of the team too. So you have to follow your post-op instructions and listen to your surgeon and their guidelines.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yes.
Is this procedure only for women?
No, so women often are the majority of our patients here, but we are getting more and more men as it's becoming more popular. They tend to like a more defined abdomen and chest, so it's also great for them.
Okay. Question number 5. How do the goals and considerations differ when performing these procedures for male patients?
Again, we'll discuss their goals during the pre-op session, and if they're going for a more sculpted look or more strong appearance, that's when we kind of define more of a six-pack than just a flat abdomen, and we can inject fat into the chest area to help sculpt that so the chest matches the lower half.
Awesome. So we're going to take a break from the questions as we did receive a comment from one of our viewers. For Jocelyn, she said, I got a BBL last year in March, and now I want to get another round, but I'm scared to look ugly.
Well, everything's kind of dependent on how much fat you have. Many patients come back for around 2 if they want to go a little bit bigger or if they want to touch up some areas of lipo. But if your skin is really thin and your surgeon emptied out a lot of the fat the first time, you have to be pretty conservative not to cause more irregularities. So the best thing to do is just send in some photos. You can DM me and we can talk more.
Guys, you could also drop your number here below in the live and we could give you a call, or you could give us a call at 305-501-6000 and we could give you a free consultation. You don't have to be here in Miami so for us to see you. We also offer online virtual consultations. Okay? What can patients expect during the recovery process for liposuction, BBL, and abdominal etching?
So for the recovery process, you're going to be in your faja for quite some time. I recommend a stage 1 faja for about 4 weeks, and then after that point, you can either downsize to a smaller faja or place lipofoams inside if you feel areas that are not as snug as they were. And then of course you don't want to sit or put pressure on your buttocks if that's where you had fat transferred for about 6 weeks.
So when people do surgery, it's important for them to have like an assistant with them.
Yeah, I won't operate on someone who doesn't have a companion with them. You absolutely need somebody to help you the first few days after surgery.
Okay, good to know. How soon can patients typically see results, and how do these results evolve over time?
So most results are fairly immediate, it's just not the final result. You'll definitely notice a difference, your butt will be bigger, your waist will be more contoured. However, final results are usually seen in 3 to 6 months.
You know, actually, yesterday I was doing a testimony video with one of your patients that looked absolutely phenomenal with her abs. And she obviously was swelled up since it's, you know, your body going under stress in surgery. So how long does it take for the swelling to go down?
It ebbs and flows. So usually the first couple of weeks you're the most swollen. It could get a little bit worse before it gets better, but usually by a month or 2 it's significantly improved, and then final results 3 to 6 months.
Okay, and Jocelyn again asked, does a second BBL give you a better shape?
It depends what you want enhanced. So if you want to go bigger, you want to project the hips or the backside a little bit more, we can certainly focus on those kinds of areas. So it can give you a better shape, sure.
All right, Jocelyn, remember our number is 305-501-6000. Call us and a patient coordinator will be with you as soon as possible so we can see you and give you a free consultation. Okay, question number 8. Is there a certain criteria that a patient must meet to be considered eligible for these procedures?
For me, I only operate up to a BMI of 37, which is, it includes a lot of patients. However, we will discuss whether liposuction alone is a better procedure for you versus a tummy tuck, depending on your skin laxity, the quality of your skin, if you have stretch marks, and if you've had multiple rounds of lipo already.
Okay. Question number 9. How does abdominal etching specifically impact muscle definition, and is it suitable for all body types?
So abdominal etching is strategic liposuction. We're not adding muscle. However, we're giving you the definition around where your muscles are. So if you maintain your weight or work out and build muscle in place of that, you'll maintain your results. But if you gain weight and get chubby, then your results won't last.
So it is important to work out even after doing this ab surgery.
Yeah, you definitely want to maintain your weight.
Okay. Oh, that's Nia asked, do you guys offer mini tummy tucks?
We do have many tummy tucks here. There's many surgeons that do it. I do it as well. Just depends if you're a candidate for a mini versus a full.
Okay, so there you go. So drop your number below, Nia, so we can give you that free consultation and we can see if we're able to do a mini tummy tuck for you. Okay, question 11. What can patients expect in terms of scarring, especially in the context of abdominal etching?
So for Lipo 360 and ab etching, we do our very best to hide the incisions. We're talking about like 1 centimeter incisions in a few different areas. Some are in the creases of the groin, inside the belly button, and underneath the breast fold, so they're pretty well hidden. And on the back, you'll have one right above your butt crack and on the top of your butt, and then in the back of your arms, which are also pretty well hidden.
Nice. Okay. Are there any... How do you manage patient expectations, and what advice do you give regarding body positivity?
Well, cosmetic surgery. You're making me laugh. Yeah, so to manage your expectations, it's all in the pre-op and what your body goals are. So my job is to make sure that we both have realistic expectations of what you can expect. And I'm not here to promise the world if it's not something that can be delivered. So I want to give you the best shape for your body. And, it's all in a discussion and we'll talk about it all.
Here at Havana, we're here to make your dreams come true. All right, guys, so remember, life in plastic is fantastic. This is our amazing female surgeon, Dr. Luster. Drop your number below or send us a DM and we'll give you your free consultation. Remember, we do have our giveaway where you could win a free plastic surgery, and we're also matching deposits. So keep that all in mind, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.